We're gonna go kayaking. Fingers crossed that I do not croak because I am terrified of water. There's Tuletu and MJ. Let's go and rent some kayaks. What's our key to tripping today? Not dying. Oh yeah, kayaking for free, but also not dying. Thank you. We are at the kayaking place. There is the kayaking place. We're gonna go kayaking and then we're going to do cycling. We don't know how this is gonna go, but it's gonna be an adventure. Literally,
we're having a pep talk right now.
Yes. I'm conquering my fears today. I can't swim. Me and water, we're not friends. But today,
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
I really am.
Thank you.
And we're gonna kayak together.
Yes.
We're gonna drown together if that happens.
Wow, sis, no, we're not. I can't believe I'm in the middle of the water. That's all. Look, I'm gonna get back.
Facing your fears.
Lord,
pep talk.
I'm gonna go after my pep talk. We are doing this together. What's our key to tripping? Free kayaking.
It was at this moment that I knew I had messed up.
Also doing things together. Oh shit!
What happened?
MJ, I just dropped your shades.
Even after dropping her shades into the lake, MJ was still nice enough to record us kayaking. Aww.
Wait, no, I was kidding.
We're alive. So that was an experience. Black Jesus, Mary, Joseph, baby Black Jesus, the three wise men, they were all with us in the kayak, okay? So we're gonna go get some cycling done and eat.
Stay tuned for part 2 of KiTu Trippin.
It's the Rocky theme song. It gives you strength. Da da da. Woo! 4-point-something miles. Get into it.
Hey, Ki.
Hi.